like it's delirium. Ay, ay, like it's delirium. Ay, I got delirium. Ay, like it's delirium. Yeah, yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby. Get your giddy on. Walk up to the stage with a drink like I'm Giveon, but I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends. I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge. He ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all a secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people asking me what we been on. I know that it's bond. They just wishing they could watch it glow, watch it go through the fire like the Shaka song. Or was it yay? Either way, she gon' play the PlayStation. I play the Xbox, good gracious. I'm so grateful it made me say thank you, thank you, thank you, yeah. I swear she drives me crazy, think my brain is gone. Man, I just can't shake it like delirium. When I get this faded, your body I just can't.
Hey guys, so let me start this vlog here. Today I'm taking you to a music festival in Moscow in a park called Muzion. I think I've been there in that park before, but yeah, so they have a festival there. I want to go and film something for you guys. Hope you're going to enjoy. So let's go, let's go. I'm walking to the metro. Today I don't feel like taking a bus, so yeah. Though it looks like it's going to pour, but who is to stop us? Yeah, it's Saturday, and let me tell you one thing: in summer, Saturday, from Friday, even from Thursday up to Sunday, is action in Moscow. So you know, people are outside, there's music, you know, DJs outside. You don't even need to go to a club or something. Just walk in the street and you will get full satisfaction of a weekend. So I'm not going to stay at home. Eugene is home. Since Eugene works the whole weekend, his work is so, you know, he works standing. So every time I'm telling him like, let's go check something out, he's like, I'm tired, and yeah, so let him rest. For me, I get out. My kids, I try to ask today like, hey, let's go to a music festival. And mostly they're like, Mom, are you serious? They're like, oh my goodness. Okay, they went with friends. They went out with their friends. And yeah, since I didn't want to be bored in the house, I just get out, you know. And you see, Moscow is full of action. It's weekend. And it's actually hot. It might look like it's dull, but it's actually very hot. And yeah, let's go check. I think it's plus 22 today, or even more. So let's see how it goes. I don't know what's gonna happen. It's rain. Oh god. But yeah, let's just go see what's gonna happen. Or at least one good thing is like it's not cold. So it's warm but with rain. Oh yeah. So we are going that part there.
was something so pleasant about that place. And they're out there.
Это было неплохо, это было даже очень хорошо. Повышаем градус. Ну-ка. Текст песни, который знают абсолютно все. Что? Крошка моя. Катюш, еще. Я не слышу вас. И только... Знаешь, седая ночь. Это да, у нас какой-то батл, да, между всеми зрителями батл, да. Это еще не все.
тебя никогда.
Заслонивший тебя от простуды, я подумаю, Боже, слышишь, я тебя никогда не забуду, я тебя никогда не увижу, и начнется весна и
Wow. So they're going to play some DJ or something like that. I decided to take a walk a little bit. I'm absolutely exhausted. Like, whew, I don't know why my shoulders hurt. But I've been walking a lot. That's why I've been like loitering the whole of Moscow, especially with Tess, my friend Tess. So we'll be, oh my goodness, I don't even know when I slept. When I slept not tired, you know. So I'm going to take a little walk here, show you around this Muzion. This is the Muzion Park. It's actually opposite. It's opposite Gorky Park. If you've ever been to, sorry guys, some parts like here I'll have to remove the music because of copyright. This is one of the hardest part when you're filming somewhere where there's music. There's always strikes. So this part is going to be, it's just a short segment. It's going to be silent, and maybe I don't think I'll put another one silent. I'll just cut if it doesn't work. So this is my first time in this Nove Gorkova. It's like it was renovated along the river, and they did some really pretty work. So there's a lot of flowers and restaurants and shops and cafes. It's kind of cute. So this is how it looks. It's absolutely gorgeous. This place was like just plain, and people used to ride bikes here. What do you call it? Roller skates here. But now it's like this. Even they put something that is very rare in these parks, like they have a supermarket, because when you're in central Moscow, it's so hard to find a supermarket or something like that. So I realized they have one, and that is what I'm looking for now. I don't see, but yeah, let's go check.